welcome back to Making It with the Matthews, guys. So if you're new here, I'm Melissa. This is music. Taylor is right there. She's doing some kind of yarn stitch. She's learning a new stitch, a granny square. So this is another weekly vlog. It's Saturday morning, 8 a.m. and obviously we have to walk music every morning, and so this morning we're walking him on the beach because he loves the beach, and I'm just gonna sit and watch Taylor walk him because yeah, that's what's going on right now. Anyway. The leash off. Well, it's getting sand all in the. Hi, Bob! Yay!
How many times must I tell you that I love you? God, how many times have I shown you that I love you? Please stop being insecure.
We're on the beach. The sun feels so good. Just listening to the ocean. So peaceful. Did you throw his treat in the water? Oh. The tide is up too this morning, so that's why you can hear it so loudly. I see people have like chairs and they're just sitting and watching. I think I'm gonna do that next time. Just bring a chair instead. This feels good. So I'm about to listen to this audiobook that I've been listening to lately. It's a it's a Caribbean-based novel. I love those books a lot because it really gives me a piece of home. So I feel like I am like transported to Jamaica. Mostly Jamaica I like, but I like any Caribbean based book. Music, come back! Music! The wave almost catch him.
Oh, 'cause right now I need you more. I'm forever yours. With that girl you can be sure. I've always liked the vibe around you. That's why I put no one else above you. At first I wasn't sure about you, but now, girl, I trust you.
The water is not that cold right now, so it's almost time for beach days. Almost time for beach days. What do you say, Tay? Huh? We should be able to swim next week?
Sure. You guys, I'm basically as tall as Tommy.
No, you're not.
Get off your tippy toes.
I'm not on my tippy toes.
Are. Put your foot down. Put your heels down.
I'm in the sand.
Put your heels down. Walk normally, Mommy. Look. Let's actually compare.
Ow!
I'm almost as tall as her, you guys.
Taylor, you're tipping.
What do you
Don't embarrass yourself, girl.
I'm not. What do you mean?
All right, come. So we're about to go drink some coffee, eat some breakfast. We spent about an hour on the beach. That's good enough. I feel the vibe. I feel good. Now we're gonna go get started on our day.
We don't make mistakes. The difference with me is that I've tried to change. You can't be the one who got away. So please don't leave. I need you to stay. Oh, boy, take my name. How many times must I tell
one of her first pool parties.
Not a pool party, it's an obstacle course.
It's a water party.
Yeah, without a pool.
Your swimsuit is so cute.
Thank you. Hi, you guys. I'm going to a water obstacle party. And it's my friend Sophia, and it's going to be very fun.
Count how many times that I've shown you that I love you. Please stop being insecure. Cause right now I need you more. I'm forever yours. With that girl you can be sure. Being without you I feel.
Hey guys, so Taylor just went to her first drop-off party, or second drop-off party. We said that like the last time we did a drop-off. So these parties are very much no parents, just kids. So yeah, I hope she has fun. The good thing is I get to go do something. I should have planned a massage, but instead I'm gonna go wash my car, manual labor, and I have to go to UPS to drop off our vlogging camera. So we haven't been vlogging with the camera because on New Year's Eve we got the camera wet. Travis got the camera wet and it stopped working, and so I remembered, because listen, I'm usually a cheapskate, y'all, but Travis taught me once when he bought me like this expensive Bose speaker. I had broken it or dropped it in water, and he had insurance on it that he paid only $30 for, guys. We replaced that speaker twice with the $130, okay? So ever since then, I always get the insurance now. So, because it's usually like $20, $30, and it's like 2 months out from expiring because it expires in April. So I finally reached out to them and I'm gonna send it in. I was hoping that they just say, hey, let's replace it, but they're like, let's check it out and see what we can do to fix it. So I would like a nice new camera.
I turn psycho, being next to you, oh, I feel my mind blown. Let my heart stay within you, cause you're my home. Right now I feel lost, you're so far. Shalana, shalana, we see Tanda Sabi, the only one, in Pilweniame. Shalana, shalana, we see Tanda Sabi, the only one, in Pilweniame. How many times must I tell you that I love you? Count how many times that I've shown you that I love you. Please stop being insecure.
Okay, so I found a pot for my baby monstera. So cute. This black and white polka dots. I have a thing for black and white, so that's what I'm going with. I found a pot. That black and white one.
Which one?
This one right here. What do you think?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah?
Yep. I think it's like the last one that we have.
Yeah, there was something else in it. So it's like,
Yes. Let's do it.
oh, this one is cute too. With the yellow.
This.
That one? Okay. Alright, we'll go with that one. Yeah, that one.
Yeah. It's so cute.
Know what to do.
That's what I was thinking.
So cute. So gorgeous. She's a beautiful plant. I have to figure out what I'm gonna name her.
I would almost go with Corella because that reminds me of
Cruella. Oh, so pretty.
Foundations. That would be a good one.
Hi, bud. Hey. You stretching?
How good is your guys' bark at the dog? Like, bark? I know barking people normally, Taylor. I know, but like, Do your best dog bark. Do your best dog bark. Do your best dog bark. You got this, Maddie.
I got my meow though.
No, do a.
You do it.
No, you do it first. I asked you guys first. No, I'm gonna go rough. I'll go after you, Maddie. Rough.
All right, so you just saw that Taylor's friends came over and they wanted to go to the pool. So I'm taking them to the pool right now. And this is my mom outfit. Don't judge my unironed pants, but outfit of the day. Let's go, people.
I'm forever yours. With that girl you can be sure.
It's the end of the day. Had a long work day, but a productive one. Getting ready to have an even bigger day tomorrow. Like, I had so many corporate visitors today because we're getting ready to launch our flagship in Charleston, and it's a big deal, y'all. But anyways, it's like 5:59. Hubby is coming back from New Jersey, because you know he has a business there, and he was there for a few weeks, so now he's coming back and I'm rushing to pick him up at the airport. But y'all know who's excited. Yeah, girl. Anyways, let me go focus on the road and trying to take these back roads to beat traffic. Playing basketball already.
Let me try 2 legs.
And just bring it back.
I did bring it back just now.
Bring it back too. Bring it back too. There you go.
Nice. All right, we're about to go to eat. You think he's missing you right now? Huh?
Probably think I'm at work.
You? You think about work?
Probably think I'm at work.
Oh.
We'll be like, Bobby, is that like the truck is sneaking in? I'm like, we must have had him somewhere. Like when I come in late night.
Yeah. Saturday. This weekly vlog is obviously poor because we skipped out a few days. I'll see if I could put in some clips of different things that occurred this week, which were such a big deal for my family, myself. I'm ironing Taylor's shorts, our outfit, because today I'm going to the Feminist Magic Market. Well, my business is, we're having a pop-up shop there. So it's now 7 a.m. or 7:30 a.m. and load-in is 9 a.m. and we need to get going because I have to go to Walmart to pick up a new table first. So we made it to the market, setting up. There's other people setting up too. This is my stuff and my hubby. Let's get this set up. Set up at the market. Now we're walking back over to make sure that everything's good. There's yoga starting in about 30 minutes. We're actually in this area of North Charleston called Park Circle. So the market, people are setting up. We have the tent vendors. The street is actually already blocked off. So excited. There's an entire plant truck. Whoa. Rooted in Charleston. Oh my gosh. This is where we're at the little bookshop. Fill your life with powerful women. This is great. This is so awesome. Love letters to women. So cool. What do you need? Having such puppy fever? Yeah. But it's just the training it part I don't want to do.
Depending on whatever your goals are and whatever is happening that day or that season. For yoga, we practice in a really seasonal way, and so as the year changes, the practice changes a little bit. And since we find ourselves, I think about spring through a couple different lenses.
Are you gonna go?
We start to move into this like wood element.
Times must I tell you that I love you? God, how many times have I shown you that I love you? Please stop being insecure.
And then you can bend your knees so that they're about halfway to our sense for you today. And as you inhale, lift the chest, lift the chin. And then exhale, round the spine and tuck the chin in. And we'll do that just a couple times. So inhale, lift, and then exhale, round. And this could be a really tiny movement. You could start to make it pretty big. You could extend your arms so you can really lean back. You could use the leverage of the legs to pull yourself up and forward, just starting to warm up the spine a little bit. And then you can come back through the center, and if it's comfortable to cross the legs into this shape, you can cross the legs. This is called easy pose, but it's like the worst named yoga pose ever because it's not easy
getting her tote.
Yes, we got
Thank you. You didn't even ask prices, girl.
It's okay.
You. That's why I put no one else above.